Rich, I wanted to sort of for the audience to understand, like even me when I first went on your website, I went, oh, okay, I get it. I get what Oz Lifting does. And then I started to understand all the places. And it's I mean, we're talking like rescue boats and buildings and oil and gas plants. Like it just goes on and on. So, can you just walk us through just even some of the products, where you'll find the products, just sort of give us a scope of it.
Yeah. So our products, yeah, it's material handling is what we manufacture. And yeah, as you said there, it's kind of a general. We're generalists in a sense where the equipment is used to support infrastructure, construction, manufacturing, oil, gas, aviation. So there's really not a target market that we don't hit. Our product mix is wide and expansive and supports a lot of different industry, everything from a little beam clamp all the way up to our 30-ton manual chain hoist. So there's just a lot of variety and applications that they're used in. So the market itself, when you're supporting something like infrastructure, a lot of the drivers are outside of your day-to-day scope, and so through our distributors, the products that we go to market can support, like I said, just a variety of different applications, and no two applications are the same.
What like I'm looking? Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Steve.
Oh, sorry, Jared. I would just add that the beauty of our industry is that, and of our product line is it's not cyclical, right? It's not. We're not ramping up for Valentine's Day that happens once a year,
Right.
So we really don't see, you might have one area of the country that's slow for whatever reason, but you might have another area of the country that's got a lot of stuff going on. So to Rich's point, our products find their way into a lot of different applications, from a DIY person to NASA.
Right. Yeah. Well, I see it. Like I see pictures. I think this is like Amazon buildings. Aren't your units on like just a ton of them?
Yeah, they are. Every Amazon building in the world will have one of our Davit cranes on it. They're using them. They're mounting them up on the roofs tops, and they're used for pulling up filters and things for their HVAC system.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
so how does that come about, Steve? Like how do you that's not sold directly to Amazon? Like the business model that is going through some like a distributor or a partner. Do I have that right?
Correct. Yeah, correct. We sell through distribution. I've always said you can't be a little bit pregnant, right? You either are or you're not. So you either sell through distribution or you sell direct to the public. And so we opted through distribution. I would guess that they found that particular crane that Amazon is using. We have it's actually patented, and we launched that crane. I know we're kind of getting a little off subject, but specifically to that crane, we launched that right when COVID hit. And so we're like, we've got inventory. Now we got to get the word out. And so we decided to shoot a YouTube video of that crane and how it functioned. And within the first year, it had 400,000 views, and now it's got well over 1 million, because it solves a problem that existed out there in industry that really no one ever had addressed until this product came along. And I'm guessing that's where they found it.
So what it was the problem it was solving? What's unique about this crane?
So with traditional davits, you have a boom and you have a mast and a boom. And so to adjust the boom out, typically what you have to do is lower your load, pull a pin, move the boom out, repin it, and now make your lift again. With this crane, it's called our TelePro. You can boom in and out while under load. So let's say you've started to make your lift with that boom all the way closest to the position that it's in, and you start making the lift, and let's say you're at a building site, and now whatever you're lifting scraping against the building. Well, now you can boom out,
right,
and allow that load to just freely come up without any interruption or getting hung up on something.
So is that like I'm just looking at the unit now. So is that is it from the back? You adjust it from the back? How is it boomed out? Yeah. So
you can.
It's like a wrench thing.
Yeah, there's a spot there where you can either use the handle that comes with the hand winch, or we give you a drill drive adapter, and you can drill drive that. And so most users probably use the drill drive. If you're looking for finite adjustment, you probably would go to the handle.